It is I, Frankini the Grand. Hello everybody, the news for the weather is going to be very rainy today. Rainy today. Hello everybody, I'm Justin. Welcome to the next video. Today we are learning few greetings. To say hi is Привет. 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 To say bye is Пока. Пока, пока. 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 We're not saying пока yet. The next phrase is good morning, which is Доброе утро. Доброе утро. Доброе утро. You're doing great! If you want to say good afternoon or good day, it is in Russian Добрый день. Добрый день. Добрый день. Great one! To say good evening is Добрый вечер. Добрый вечер. Добрый вечер. Great! Привет! Доброе утро! Добрый день! Добрый вечер! See you in the next video! Пока!